drama in the streets. Up by your COVID-19. And violence is not an answer. Some people trying to feed their families. And poverty is gonna strike. A black child is gonna cry. Why you bending our malls? Now all I see is chaos. I've touched my money. And protect our malls. Protect our schools. Touch my money. And protect our malls. Protect our schools. Touch my money. Protect our malls and protect our schools. Your winds are alone, and as a spool alone, so keep on me con. Your winds are alone. When you bending all the satellites, who's gonna broadcast? Your winds are alone. When you bending all the schools, who's gonna educate? It took us time to have what we have. Now look around, we all that we have. Now let's stop looting, stop burning down things and put down all the pistols. Now it's black on black violence. What happened to humanity, to the unity? I've touched my money. And protect our malls, and protect our schools.